Inhlangano Concerned Citizens of South Africa imashele kwinxanxathela yezitolo eyaziwa ngeChina Mall namuhla ekuseni lapho ibifuna khona izimpendulo kosomabhizinisi mayelana nezethembiso zomsebenzi ezingafeziwe. Le nhlangano ithi ke yethenjiswa ukuthi abantu bakuleli bazobekwa phambili uma kuvela izikhala zomsebenzi kepha ukuze kube manje lokho akukaze kwafezeka. Iphinde ke yaxoxa umnyango wezasekhaya ngokwehluleka ukubhekana nezikhalazo mayelana nezinkinga eziyamene nabo ukufika kuleli abangekho emthethweni.
Umbutho i-Concerned Citizens of South Africa ubambe umncelele wasingisa eChina Mall kulandela uthethathethwano nabanini bamashishini ngezithembiso zokunika bemibeli amathuba engqesho. Ngoko emva kokuba oko kuye kwasilela ufunga ngokumisa ngqi iinkqubo.
It's not the first time we are coming here. We did a walkabout and then walkabout yasitshela ukuthi there are more than 3,000 illegal foreigners that are working inside here, which our politicians and police are taking money every day from these people. So we applied for a march. We came here. They've promised to hire plus minus 500 young people after our march. And then what happened after? They didn't do anything. They didn't communicate. So when we were supposed to hand over my CV to them, so that they were telling us what HR is overseas and all that. Up until we decided not to meet with them anymore. So we then applied for this march again. So this march is going not to do a memorandum today. What we're gonna do here is to give them instruction to say we are requesting them to remove all the 3,000 illegal foreigners that are here inside.
Lo mbutho kwaxeka isebe lemicimbi yezekhaya ngokungaqhubisani kakuhle nokujongana ngqo nabemi bangaphandle abakweli ngokungekho mthethweni.
The Home Affairs came here. But we must say we are not happy about the inspectors of Home Affairs and Department of Labour that came here because they didn't do what they were supposed to do. So these people every time they are given money and then call what they are here for. So we are here to say to the management what they've promised to us as young people, they must deliver it. While we were marching here, they sent me a document from court. So they're intimidating us not too much. So they said whenever we come here today, they're going to arrest us. So I then said to them, we don't scared about being arrested as long as we are arrested for what the young people want, which is Zomsebenzi. So they've sent that document to me now to say I must not come here and then they will arrest us and all of that. We're going to apply for a picket that will take the whole week. So they are sending messages of threats to say they have lost 2 million since we've started marching here. So they're not going to tolerate what we are doing. So we are saying for them not to tolerate what we are doing, they must do the right thing by employing South Africans and removing the illegal foreigners that are working here inside.
Abaphathi balamashishini banikwe iintsuku ezisixhenxe ukuba baphendule kwezi zinyanzeliso. Kwindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.